Hey, do you know that more than 2 million people visit eBay every day? eBay is the busiest and most visited e-commerce site on the entire internet by far. More than 33% of all internet users in the US visit eBay. Let's explore it to know more. How could you start making money on eBay? Hi there, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and well. In this video, I'm going to explain how to make money on eBay or how to make passive income in 2021. Before walking ahead, I have a humble request to all of you guys. If you are new to our YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button and make sure to press the bell icon to get latest uploads from our channel. eBay is a multinational e-commerce US-based company which launched in 1995. Now it's a big boom in the online shopping sites or apps and most competitive with Amazon. They offer a range of goods and services to both sellers and buyers. eBay have 183 million active buyers worldwide, and that's really good because you don't need to go anywhere to promote your items on Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media platform to get sales. Here you can see on my screen how a number of products get in sales on daily basis using ebay.com. From 2000 to 2018, the American Customer Service Index has recorded the level of customer satisfaction with eBay. It was on 100-point scale, and in recent years, it was also on top level of customer satisfaction. So it can be a best place for you to sell your products, even you don't have your own products. So what did you decide? What to sell on eBay to make passive income online? When you are going to sell a product on eBay, remember three things before you start. Number one, market research. When I say market research, then what did you get in your mind? Of course, it is the place where you are going to sell your product. So, if you don't know what is the market worth of your product or any product which you want to source from anywhere, then it means you are not on the right way. So, what is the right way? First of all, let's suppose your product or any product which you want to source is equal to X product. So, the right way is that you should know what is the current selling price of your X product in the eBay market and what includes in it. Only focus on sold items to check market worth of your X product. Number 2. Find a supplier. When you're going to find a supplier for a product that you have been researched on eBay, then you must need to know what are you going to buy. Is that same product or is it similar product? I personally prefer to buy same products from the supplier because you research a product along with their specifications that directly impact to the customer. Now check the source price of the product and calculate shipping and eBay fees. Now think what you will get after selling this product. Don't think about huge profit. Just stay competitive with the eBay market to get a lot of sales which will help you out to make passive income online. Number 3. List your product on eBay. I will say watch your competitor, what he does, before you start making a list of your product on eBay. Now, many ones will confuse on that, who is the competitor. When you had done market research, then you definitely have a competitor. Hence, competitor means which rival or seller is selling same product that you are going to sell. Watch his product title, product pictures, product price and product description or anything which is visible to their customers. Now do the same things in your product during making list of your product on eBay. Don't copy their stuff, just follow their technique to list your product on eBay. If you will follow the steps, then I'm sure you will get unbelievable results. And I know many people are getting good earnings from those techniques on eBay. And that's why I share that information to all of you. In next videos, I will be guiding you in more depth, so please stay connected with our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, then please write down in the comment section below. I will try to reply as soon as I can. If you still didn't subscribe to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest uploads from our channel. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon in the next video. Till take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.